Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know there are everyday habits that seem harmless, but are actually making you age faster than you realize? These habits can affect your appearance even when you're not aware of them. Let's find out if you're unknowingly doing any of these things that are secretly aging your face. Stay tuned, because we're diving in right now. 1. Chronic stress. We all know the feeling of stress, right? But did you know stress doesn't just wear you out mentally, it also shows up on your face. When you're stressed, your facial muscles tense up, causing jaw clenching and furrowing your brow. Over time, this creates wrinkles, making you look tired and older. You've probably heard of resting bitch face. Well, chronic stress is the culprit behind that. But don't worry, instead of bottling everything up, try practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Trust me, you'll feel better mentally and notice a smoother face too. 2. Bad sleep posture. Do you ever wake up with a sore neck or a lopsided face? That's not just a coincidence. It could be due to your sleeping posture. If you sleep on your side or face down, the pressure on your face can lead to early wrinkles. To fix this, try to sleep on your back if possible. A good pillow can support your neck and head, which can reduce strain on your face and neck. 3. Negative self-talk. Have you ever criticized yourself, even in front of a mirror? Those negative thoughts could be affecting your facial expressions. Constantly putting yourself down can cause you to create frown lines and look less confident than you actually are. Start replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Look in the mirror and acknowledge something good about yourself. It'll boost your confidence and make your face look fresher too. 4. Overreacting. Emotionally. We all have those days when we feel irritated or frustrated, but if you constantly react intensely to emotions, it will show on your face. Emotional stress can create wrinkles around your eyes and mouth. Instead of reacting right away, try pausing, taking a deep breath, or going for a walk to calm down. You don't need to suppress your emotions, just don't let them take over your appearance. 5. Dehydration. Even if you don't feel thirsty, dehydration can dry out your skin and leave your face looking dull. In fact, your skin will show signs of dehydration before you even realize you're thirsty. Here's a simple tip. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Doing so will make your skin look more hydrated and plump, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles. 6. Slouching. Do you catch yourself sitting hunched over or staring down at your phone for too long? This bad posture not only makes you look less confident, but can also make your face appear tired, leading to double chins or neck pain. Start adjusting your posture. Sit up straight, shoulders back, and avoid looking down at your phone too much. These simple changes will make you look younger and more energetic, while also improving your neck and back health. 7. No time for silence. Everything in modern life happens at lightning speed, but if you don't take time to slow down, your brain stays in a constant state of stress, and your face reflects that. The non-stop hustle lifestyle can make you look worn out and older. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes every day to relax. Whether it's meditating, sitting quietly with a cup of tea, or just being present in the moment, giving your mind some quiet time will help your face look more relaxed and youthful. 8. Too much screen time. We all spend a lot of time on our devices, but this is actually damaging to our skin. The blue light from your phone or computer can accelerate aging, leading to fine lines and dull skin. Try the 20-20-20 rule. every 20 minutes. Look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And if you spend a lot of time on screens, consider wearing blue light glasses to protect your skin from further damage. 9. Holding on to resentment. While you may not realize it, holding on to anger or past hurts shows up on your face. Resentment creates tension, making your face look more stressed and tired. Let go of grudges, not for the other person, but for your own peace of mind. Forgiveness will not only lighten your mood, but also make your face look brighter and more relaxed. So there you have it. 9 hidden habits that are secretly aging your face. The good news is you can start changing these habits today. Just a few small adjustments, and you'll start seeing noticeable changes in your appearance and confidence. Don't let these habits age you. Start making changes today and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And hit that notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos.